Hi, I'm Bradley Clyde from Blenheim Partners, Executive Search and Board Advisory with an Australian real estate update. In the office sector, as we reactivate our major cities, employees are seeking more flexible working arrangements that will impact CBD office occupancy levels. To what level is yet to be determined. With all Australians committed to a path out of lockdown, CBD office owners and managers are working to prepare their assets for the return of vaccinated workers. Despite the clear roadmaps, we do not expect to see CBD office occupancy above 60% within the next 3 months as we approach Christmas. There has been some divergence within the sector as non-CBD offices have outperformed CBD assets. Retail properties' relative underperformance continued with its 11th consecutive quarter of negative capital growth. Neighbourhood shopping centres were the best performing retail segment with an annual return of 7.6%, while super and major regional malls lagged at 2.3%. Well documented, supply and demand along with low interest rates have driven the price increase of all capital city residential properties. These increases are now having significant impact on the gap between property owners and non-property owners' prosperity. Unsurprisingly, industrial was the top performing sector with an annual return of 23.2%, with the big logistics sheds' relevance taking a quantum leap because of COVID-triggered online purchases. And I can't see this trend slowing down anytime soon. In fact, predictions for returns in logistics and industrial property to get to 40% next year is a likely goal. ESG and technology are two of the biggest drivers of change in our property sector. ESG and sustainability is being driven by the expectations of company investors, customers and employees to the effect it is now a ticket to play. Technology in property is being driven by two important elements, data and security. The responsible capture and management of data will enable relevance and convenience for the customer's living environment and smart city living. Global cities will account for 68% of the world's population by 2050. Smart cities provide a solution to the sustainable, social and economic development of these heavily populated environments. Building on this, cybersecurity is a foundational defensive requirement for all companies as the collection of personal identifiable information, PII, gathers even more momentum and currency.